Alright, so we're doing an alternator and a Jetta 2005 2.0. So first thing, there's gonna be a 10 millimeter here. Pull that out, lift it up, and then the way I did it, I took a 19 wrench, brought it over, I put it here, just like that, and then I lift it up to get the belt off. So this will be to get the tension off the belt. Wait a minute. Now my key got stuck. Okay. So I put that over just like that, and then I lift it like that to get the belt off. Then there's gonna be 3 bolts, 30 millimeter. Three, and then you slide this down. That will be the tensioner. So this is what I did to take it out. I put this over just like this, and then I lift up to get the belt off. Now there's gonna be 2 bolts holding the alternator, one up here and one down here. So we get that loose. And of course on this side it's another ball holding the power, and then the plug right here. Let's take these 2 bolts. 2 bolts out. There's the top. There's the bottom. Let me make sure they're the same side. The same side, okay. So now we can try to wiggle these out. I gotta get a bar. Okay. Alright, so just wiggle it out. I don't want to drop it. Let's see if I'll do it with 2 hands. Okay. Push it down. There we go. And then wiggle it out. There we go. So let's see, we got another 8. That should be like an 8 holding the cable right there. Okay, so that's gonna be, this is a 5/16. And after you get it loose, you can just do it by hand. Okay, so should be free. Oh yeah, and don't forget to disconnect the battery. So let me get a new one so we can match it up. Okay, so here's the old one and here's the new one. So everything looks the same connection, except the only thing I don't see, only different I see is this thing right here, but that doesn't really matter. That just to hold that bracket, the little bracket, yeah. But as long as the cable are the same and the bracket, let me see, make sure the same side. Yeah, I think we're good. Well, I guess we put it back in. It's just that little leg, I don't look a little different. Just that right there. We don't need it. Alright, let's put it in then. Okay. Put it in, same way you took it out. Yeah. Get the bolts. Goes for the bottom. Let's get everything back tight again, and then we put that bracket back on, and then we use this key. Remember, 19 over like that, and lift it to get the bell off and to put it back on. It's running good. It's good now. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Thank you.